Hello everybody. Tonight we make Lamb Shish Kebab. I got everything over here in the front of me. I got the lamb, I cut already. I see everything. I got salt, black pepper, hot pepper, cumin. Everything is good over here. I got the pepper, sweet pepper, I cut zucchini from my garden, onion. I got a potato, and I want to put the potato. And I got salt, black pepper, oregano, everything done over here. And I got on the side my glass of wine. And I prepared some already. It's like over here. And now I want to do a couple. Now for the steak, I put in the water for half hour. And I never can find a dish long for the steak. And what I did this. This is my wine and drink. I finish the wine, and I got the stick inside, the boom, it come right out, and look, and we do like this, the stick. And we start with a lamb, and you put lamb, and when you put the lamb, make sure do not stick with your finger over here. I did already once, it's really bad, okay, you stick the finger. Okay, now, when you do the zucchini, it's really hard, I do like this. After you do like a screwdriver. After you do the pepper, and you do the same thing. Okay, you know one stick on your finger.
Can you say hello to Julia?
Hello, Julia. Hello, Julia.
Angela from England.
Hello, Angela from England. Hey, everybody.
Hello, Peggy.
Okay, now I got another piece of lamb, and we put it right over here like this. Zucchini. You stick like that. And push pepper. And go onion. And I got my barbecue already. I think it's about 500 or 550 degrees. And I got this, now another piece of lamb. Zucchini.
Hello, Jeff. Say hello, Jeff.
Hello. Pepper.
Pepper. Jeff, no pepper.
Pepper, sweet pepper, un paparulo. Agno, cipolla, lamb, I got 4. Okay, now this is done, and let's start the barbecue. And I got it right over here, and let's open the barbecue.
Johnny, say how old are you?
John, how old am I?
Yeah.
I don't know. I born in 1939. 1939. Okay, look at this. How beautiful. Nice. Beautiful. Look at that.
What kind of lamb did you use?
It's the legs. The legs. Okay, now, but I take the bones out and I fix everything. Now I got the potato over here. And this, you gotta go on a barbecue. Okay, and now this, look, this nice, big, nice potato. And we do like this, 1.
Well, tomato sauce you have on YouTube. You can watch it video. It's done.
Oh boy, this barbecue. It's hot too.
Thank you, Joseph.
Thanks.
How you guys doing? What you marinate with the lamb with?
The lamb, it's salt, black pepper, cumin, black salt and black pepper.
Hot pepper.
Hot pepper, yes. Oh yeah, baby.
And oil, no?
Oil, yes. Okay, now we close.
Finally, you get new grill.
Hey, I was keeping that grill for 18 years. That grill was more older than me. Oh, Now what I want to do, I got the oil over here. And I wait, after I want to put a little oil on the lamb. Okay, let's wait a little bit. And now the one I wait, let me take.
It smells already good.
I want to say salute cincin to everybody. Ah, salute. Boy, tonight it's really cold over here. It's like maybe 100 degrees.
How you
Salute.
season the pateros?
Cincin, eh?
Pateros, how you season?
Salt, black pepper, oregano e olio. Olio di olivo. Oil. Olio di oliva. And this is vino di grapes. Vino con l'uva nera. Salute e cincin. Really good.
Roy said, I love my apron, thank you.
Oh, yeah, you walk. Okay. Oh, everything look good. Look at that. Look at this. Now, we gotta close it. We don't gotta leave the heat to go out.
You never said to Jeff, I said to say Jeff for Castellamare.
Castellammare di Stabia. My friend Beppe Cuomo is for Castellammare di Stabia, but he passed away. Maybe you know the family for Castellammare. Beppe Cuomo. Stasera in cucina un po' che vino già la sam e quando si imbriaca a peppina gianca pan. Hey, look you pass over here. A mouse. I kill you, little mouse. You drink all my wine. Okay, now let's stay cool like this. I want to leave it stay a little bit more, okay, you know. After I want to make a turn, see, right away the temperature drop, but the barbecue inside, it's really, really hot. Now,
Where you come from, Italy? What place?
me, I come from Orsara di Puglia, Foggia. Sono foggiano della provincia di Foggia. Orsara di Puglia. My city, it's on top of the mountain. It's so high. It's a nice, fresh, well, the night time when you stay outside, it's a nice, cold day over there. You want to go, you got to go to Manfredonia or Pescara for the ocean. Over there, Orsara, it's beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. You see, now this will take a time, because the potato, you got to lose them up a little bit. Let me see what it look like on the other side. You see, still you got to go, but maybe, you know, in the shish kebab, we make it turn a little bit. It's hot.
Wałbrzych from Poland. Did you put oil on the grill?
Oil on the grill?
Did you put oil on the grill?
Yeah, I put the glass on the grill. I break my glass. I don't give her the glass, I lost my wine.
Laura, she asked, when is the best season to visit Orsara?
Orsara, the best one gets not too hot and not too cold. The end of the August, it's beautiful. Good. All right. Where's my glass?
Ah, so we close. Wrocław, Wałbrzych. Wow. You gotta watch over there. You have new
It's
glass.
broke the glass?
You have glass over there. Go look.
I got broke this too now. Salute chin chin. Salute. My glass, somebody was give it to me that one. It was a salute chin chin. Pasquale. But now I got another one. Salute chin chin. And I want to say it again. Salute tutto quanto. Really good though. I gotta keep the glass far away from when I move. You see, all the Italian people when they gotta talk, they say that, hey, come stai? Come va? Hey, you stai buono? Oh yeah? A famiglia tua, come sta? Là, Dorsare, everybody good. Hey, I asked my friend over there, he said everything it's nice, quiet. It's really good.
So why you have to talk with your mouth, not with your hands?
You see, it's why I talk all the time with my hands. You see, you gotta talk more with your hands, not with your mouth.
You got a new grill.
Yeah, no grill. I grill you. Okay, now I think of the potato. We gotta make a turn on the potato. Let me see.
It smells so good.
Where you go? You don't want to go inside. Okay, it look good. Now the potato, it cook fast. Look a nice color.
Did you like it?
Huh? Me?
No, it's somebody make you fish with different fish. Yeah, Italian work with their hands. Yes, they talk with their hands.
I'll break everything I told you.
Too many pieces.
Go back over there, you. All right.
Oh, it looks good.
Boy, look like no sweat, no lamb. No shish kebab. Shish kebab, shish kebab. Okay, now you gotta stay a little more of this at the cool.
Do you need to put little oil on the top? No?
No. It's not oil. You don't want too much fat.
Well, it smells very good. Well, I'm glad that you like it, Laurel. This was leg of lamb and he cut it pieces.
I take the bones out. The bones, I make a nest with the lamb. It's really good, the bones. I like the bones and the sauce, everything. Salute chin chin. Boy, it's hot tonight. Salute with the barbecue over here and the wine. It keeps him a little cold. Salute chin chin.
We have
Salute.
potatoes.
Thank you very much for all your support. Thank you for the star. The star tonight. I hope become a star. Salute chin chin, everybody. Salute.
Yeah, gołąbki we gotta make one day, yes?
You want to look now?
Maybe it's ready.
Huh? It look good.
Yeah.
Huh? Okay.
It's
now-
just olive oil you put on the top.
Yes, only oil. Spray like this a little bit. Now I want to take this dish. Questa è una bella sparse. You can put a lot of stuff over here. This is good when you go on the beach. You cover your head. All right. Now, let me take it out. The shish kebab. Oh, look how beautiful.
It smells so good.
Look nice.
You have nice grill now. Thank you.
Okay, now what I do, I gotta turn the dish the other way. Here. I'll put over here. Okay,
It looks great.
and now let's see the
We
potato.
always use olive oil.
And the potato it's a cook. Okay? Look how beautiful. It's 1, 2. Look at that.
Yes, I do cook also, yes.
Oh.
Michael said, fix me a plate.
Who?
No, we have actually something different, no jelly, because it's too sweet. We have Greek yogurt with mint.
Okay. Now the barbecue it's done. It's everything okay. And now what I want to do,
Yeah, you have to remove, yes.
I want to taste.
You want to go get the sauce?
No, I eat like this. Oh. Mm. Nice and tender. I did a good job on the legs. Zucchini to cook. Really good. Now, the zucchini. Delicious.
The potatoes was like 10 minutes altogether, everything.
And now, I want to say to everybody, salute e cincin everybody. And thank you very much for your support. And thank you very much for your stuff. Salute e cincin everybody. I hope everybody like this dish. It's really, really good. I want somebody to make and let me know the taste. It tastes good. Salute e cincin, and we see you again next time. A salute.